Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Moonphase watch. First, gently pull the crown out to its outermost position, which is typically the time-setting position. Now, carefully advance the time forward until you observe the Moonphase disc starting to rotate. This initial step helps you determine whether the watch is currently indicating day or night, which is crucial for accurate setting. Next, push the crown in one click, moving it to the Moonphase setting position. This intermediate position allows you to independently adjust the Moonphase. Carefully rotate the crown to advance the Moonphase disc until the full moon is perfectly centered at the 12 o'clock position on your watch dial. This establishes a clear starting point for precise adjustment. Now, you'll need to consult a reliable moon calendar to determine the current moon phase for today's date. Once you know the current phase, count the exact number of days that have passed since the last full moon. For every day counted, advance the Moonphase disc forward by one click using the crown. This ensures your watch accurately reflects the celestial cycle. Finally, pull the crown out to the outermost time-setting position once more. Carefully set the correct time, paying close attention to whether it is AM or PM, as this impacts the Moonphase cycle. Once the time is precisely set, gently push the crown all the way back in against the watch case to fully engage the movement and protect it from dust and moisture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.